If you've scraped your vehicle against a wall, if someone has bumped it and driven away, if you've been involved in an accident, restore your vehicle to its former glory with high-quality bodywork from Paint Tech Repairs. We began in 2009, working within a 25-mile radius of Redditch, and we built a proud reputation for high standards and attention to detail. From bumper scuffs and vandal key scratch damage to multi-panel accident repairs, carrying out the work at your place or ours, specializing in the latest smart repair technology. Paint Tech Repairs, the friendly professionals.